135-degree bracket support installation. Suppose now we have the following materials: 40-40 aluminum profiles, 135-degree bracket support, cylindrical headboards, T-nut. Here are the instruction of steps. First, attach the cylinder headboards from the inside of the bracket with the T-nuts. Then, put the T-nut into the groove. Twist the board to rotate the nut 90 degrees. Tighten the board to fix it on the profile. Finally, tighten with an Allen wrench. At this point, the 135-degree bracket installation is complete. Thanks for your watching.